Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a very special video because it is not a makeup video and it's a haul video, guys. So recently there was a sale going on Nykaa. I think it was hot pink sale, yeah, somewhat like that. So I ordered quite a few things from that sale, nothing fancy, but I'm gonna quickly show you whatever I ordered and let's just get into the video. Alright you guys, so the first item that I ordered from Nykaa was this eyeliner. It is from K Beauty and the shade is Black Canvas. So I ordered two items from the K Beauty. The one is this eyeliner and the other one is also an eyeliner, and the shade of this eyeliner is Exotic Indigo. I must say that this shade is very beautiful. That indigo one, it is very pretty. I mean, I just love it. And it is yeah, it looks like this. And let me just show you. See, I think you can see this. Yeah, it's very pointed. You can you can create wing liner through it, and it's really pretty. I love it. So the next item that I ordered is false lashes. This one is from PAC Professional Art Cosmetics and I use it for my makeup videos and it's quite affordable. I think this one is for like 300 or something, and in sale I got it for like 245 or something like that, and it's very pretty. Just look at this. And another thing for this, I got a eyelash curler. This one is from Vega. MRP of this is 150 and in sale I got it for like 130 rupees, so quite affordable it is. You can get it. And then I have this Lakme sunscreen, Sun Expert. It's a regular thing. And then I have these two nail paints from Nykaa only, and the shade I don't know, I think it's, yeah, the shade is 27 Rose Quartz, and the other one that I have is Barefoot Stroll, shade number 262. Yeah, so these both shades are very pretty, and I am like kind of fond of pink and nude colors, so yeah, I love it. So the next item that I ordered is this Nykaa Skin Genius Conceal and Correct palette. Let me just quickly show this to you. So yeah, this is the palette and look at this. I love this palette. I mean, I don't like to go for every separate color. I mean, I love this. I love the fact that it has all the colors in just one single palette. And I think the price of this palette was, I think the MRP was 1200. Yeah, it was 1200, and in sale I got it for like 1050 or something. So yeah, it was quite a deal for me. Okay, so guys, I'm not a person who wears lipstick all the time. I just don't do that. I mean, I do it only in my makeup videos. But this time I got my hands on few lipsticks from Nykaa, and let me just show it to you. So this one is the palette that I got from Nykaa. This one is a Sealed with Kiss lip palette. Actually, I don't commit to a lipstick or any kind of a product so soon, so early, because I like to first try it, then test it, and then I commit to that product. So I believe buying mini package, I mean mini SKUs of those lipsticks or any kind of a product. So yeah, this is the product, and I love the fact that it has all the shades of red and pink sort of thing. So I kind of like this palette. Another I got okay, I got these three mini lipsticks from Nykaa. The shade that I ordered is this one is Trusty Rusty, another one is this Cinnamon Crunch, and this one is Razy Rose. I'll just quickly show it to you how all these shades look. Yeah, this one is I think let me just see this on this packet. Yeah, this one is Trusty Rusty. Yeah, and then I have Cinnamon Crunch. So this one is Cinnamon Crunch, and another one that I have is Razy Rose. This one is Razy Rose. I don't wear lipsticks that much, but I thought I should give it a try. at least. And so yeah. So another lipstick that I ordered is Nykaa Get Set Matte, and the shade is Goals. I don't really like liquid lipsticks. I like very creamy textured lipsticks. So this one is my first liquid lipstick, guys. And let me just show it to you. So yeah, this is how it looks. Let me just swatch it. I think you can see this, right? So this is the pretty nude shade, and I really like to wear nude shades. And the other one is I think it is matte matte to last Bombay shade, another mini set. So this is how it looks. I think I should swatch it for you. I think you can see this, right? Oh, just a minute. I think I should swatch it over here. Yeah, this one is shade Bombay, another liquid lipstick. So, and the last lipstick that I have is this from Huda Beauty, and the shade is, just a minute, let me just check. I think, yeah, the shade is Payday. This is kind of a bold color. I don't really go for these colors, but this time I thought I should give this a try. So this is how it looks. I don't know how is it gonna look on me. So this is it, guys. This was all those things that I ordered from Nykaa. I hope you all like this video, and if you like, then please do like, comment and share this video as much as you can to all the makeup lovers that you know. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.